Let's start this over again. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm having a messy hair kind of day. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get this plummy smoky eye. I love it. It's so pretty. It's one of those looks that you can do for a girl's night out or just a glam kind of makeup look. Also, I want to thank Buxom for partnering up with me in this video for these lippies, this one that I have on right now. Guys, I can't wait to see you in it. If you do recreate this look, make sure to tag me on Instagram, hashtag Christen Dominique, so I can see your looks and give it a like and check you out. So if you want to see how to get this look, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you can be a part of the quad family. And without further ado, yes, my elbow is cold. Let's get on with the video. My primer and brow, so I'm going to just jump right in to the foundation. I am going to be using the Elcie Micro Silk Foundation. I haven't used this in a long time. I remember using it a few times, really liking it, and then I couldn't find my shade, but I have a ton of different shades to choose from. The only thing about these foundations is you may think it's your color on the outside, but then when you put it on your face, it's like 30 shades darker, so just be careful with that. But I do like this foundation. It is very full coverage. I'm going to start off with Vanilla. Just going to put it on the back of my eyelash box. You're going to notice when you put this on your face, it is extremely thin. If you're not patient enough, you're almost going to feel like there's no coverage. But if you just let it set into your skin, you'll see that it's a very pigmented foundation. It's just extremely lightweight. There's been a cricket that has been haunting me this entire time. I don't know if you guys can hear it. I'm pretty sure you can. But it's even louder. It's back with a vengeance because we thought it was gone. But it is back and it's super loud. I'll shoot it out later. I really like that this foundation is super light, like thin and lightweight. But it has a lot of pigment in it, so it's very full coverage. This is the first layer. I could leave it here, but I'm gonna add just another little bit of a layer because I like the cake. But it doesn't make it look cakey at all, and it feels very comfortable on the skin, but it does dry down matte. When I use this, I kind of like, because it's so flat, this is a very matte foundation. Because it's so flat, I do like to use some sort of finishing spray with this. And then I'm gonna move over to the eyes. And this time, I'm actually not gonna use concealer. I'm just gonna use this foundation as my base. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and start on the eyes. For the eyes, I'm gonna use this palette right here. It's the Ciate London Pretty Fun Fearless palette by Chloe Morello. It's really fun, pretty packaging. And then when you open it up, it has a cute mirror right here with the flamingos on the sides. I'm gonna first pick up Skinny Dip. It's a very light taupey shade. It reminds me of like just nude skin or like a nude bikini. It's super creamy. It almost feels like a cream. But I'm gonna go ahead and pick that up first, work it into the eye. The Time Los Angeles 206 brush, and picking up Skinny Dip. Okay, I'm gonna work this shade right into the crease. So I'm gonna go right in here. Ooh, look at that pigment. So I'm just gonna work that into the crease, and then I'm gonna take this fluffier brush right here from the Makeup Shack. It's the T68. Wash the color even more into the skin. And then I'm gonna take On Fire, which is this shade right here, the same brush, and start to work that. And I'm gonna have it sit right below the first shade that we use. I'm gonna take it right around the crease. Also kind of through the inner corner right here. It's gonna be a nice transition for the purple that we're gonna use in just a little bit. This is the MAC 221S brush, and I'm just gonna pop into Flirt, which is that really pretty plum, and work that on the outer edge or the outer V. I'm gonna leave the inner third of the lid blank so that we can pop into one of those pretty shimmers. I'm gonna focus all of the plummy shades right on the outer portion of the eye, and then I'm gonna take it out, kind of extending it towards the end of the brow, like right where the brow ends. And then taking this big fluffier brush and just going over the edges and just diffusing them into the skin. The next color I'm going to take is Daydream. I'm going to take it on a pencil brush. This brush doesn't have a number, so I'm just going to take that on the outer corner and really deepen up the outer V. Right in here. Wow, these shades are very pigmented. A little goes a long way. Okay, then I'm gonna take this MAC 217S brush and go into My Tribe, which is this cream vanilla shade. And then I'm gonna take that right underneath the brow bone to pop the shape out and also just make the eyeshadow look a little bit more clean. And then for the inner corners, I'm gonna take some concealer and just put it on the back of my hand and grab a flat brush like this one right here from the Makeup Shack. It's the T51. Conceal right in the front of the lid just so that eyeshadow that we put on top can really pop. And then right on top of the concealer, I'm gonna take Happy, this shade right here. And this is just a really pretty cool tone gray shimmer shade. I'm gonna go back into Flirt and just marry these colors together so that they don't look like, this doesn't look like a harsh line right here. I'm gonna soften up this edge. Now I'm gonna do the wing. For the wing, I have this Maybelline Curvitude liner right here. I'm just gonna pop this mascara on right here. It's called Big T's from Buxom to prep our lashes for falsies. Ooh, this one really grabs onto the lashes. I'm gonna pick out some lashes from my little book that I have here. This is a bunch of different lashes, so these are just old ones that I've used like once or twice. I'm gonna pick up Flirt and pop it onto the lower lash line. I'm gonna take it all the way in this time, all the way into the inner corners and blend it out. And then right where that waterline is, I'm gonna take the Maybelline Gigi Hadid gel liner, pop that in right there. And then I'm gonna take my concealer from Nars and work that right into the inner corners on the nose. And then for the highlight, I'm going to use the Buxom Divine Goddess Luminizer in Venus. What a name. So it's this liquid illuminator like this. And I've tried it before. It's very subtle. So I'm just going to take that on the cheeks. I'm going to use this as a base highlight. I'm going to take it right down the nose and right on top of the Cupid's bow. To bake underneath my eyes, I'm going to use the Laura Mercier Brightening Under Eye Powder. Oh wait, it's called the Secret Brightening Powder for Under Eyes. That's a really long name, but I'm going to use this in shade 1 and just work it right on top of my concealer. I'm going to let that settle, and then I'm going to take the new bronzer from the Balm. It's called Take Home the Bronze. It's an anti-orange bronzer. This is in the shade Tony. So I'm going to take this and work that right on the cheeks, give the face some color. And then I'm going to use the MAC 275S. It's like a curvy brush. And I'm going to take the Bronze Grammy shade, this one right here, and snatch my nose real quick. Then I'm going to take the vanilla shade from the Latte palette and just go right over the top of the nose and down the center to highlight, and right along the sides of the nose. I like that this isn't too ashy as a contour color. It's not like super orange. That shade that I used as a bronzer really brought a nice tan into my face. I am loving these bronzers so far. Now I'm going to use the Frat Boy blush right here from the Balm. Just a light pink flush of color. I'm just going to use that right on the apples of my cheeks. So I'm going to go ahead and pop on a lip color to my lips. The one I'm going to be using is from Buxom. It's the Va-Va-Plump Shiny Liquid Lipstick. And the shade that I'm going to use is Beg for Mauve or Come to Dolly. I'm in between both of them. There's actually 20 shades to choose from that I have. They're all really pretty. You can go from fall to spring, day to night with them. But I'm going to choose something with like a pinky purple undertone, something kind of mauve-y. It has like a curved lip applicator. It's supposed to really hug your lip and just be easy to apply. Ooh, it really gets into the curve of your lip, which is a good thing. Okay, I'm gonna test this one out on the bottom of my lip because I'm not really sure about this color. And then I'm gonna and then I'm gonna show you what Beg for Mauve looks like, just to see if this one, oh no, that's too bright. There's also Getting Warmer. Let's see what this looks like. That could be really pretty. I'm actually gonna change it up. I'm gonna use Getting Warmer. I'm gonna take all these shades off of my lip. Ooh, and there's like a plumping effect in this lip, so I can feel like the tingly sensation happening. The shade I'm gonna use is Getting Warmer. I decided on this one right here. I think it would go perfect with this look. And with one swipe, you get a really saturated color. So it's a really nice and shiny, and it's supposed to last pretty long. This is the final look. I love the way this came out. You can see my ratchet ponytail. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. And before I let you go, I don't want to let you go without giving you some type of encouraging advice for you guys today. Do not stop what you're doing in your career until you are completely and utterly proud with yourself. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, Dollies.